Hi everyone, I just want to go through the agenda and objectives for this week. I am releasing the module early this week because we are on a 4-day week with spring break starting on Friday, and I know that some people want to get started on their work. So if that is you, then you have access to what we need already for this week. One thing I want to make sure that you do is that on Friday I sent out a Canvas announcement. That Canvas announcement had several points to it. The biggest one being that there is a very quick, not even 5-minute scheduling video in there that talks about what we need to do for courses for next year. I need you to read that Canvas announcement. I need you to watch the video, and then I need you to complete the Google form. All of those directions are in the announcement. Okay, so please do that. Please reach out to me if you have any questions. I would like to have that done by 9 a.m. on Tuesday, March 30th. That will help me be able to schedule a time and a place for those students interested in taking Honors Algebra 2 to take the test that they need to get the recommendation to take that course. Okay, so I wanted to get that out of the way before we started into our agenda for this week. Notice that right here in the agenda, I have put in the material that you will need for the remaining part of the school year. This is what is at the bookstore, the hard copies, and can be picked up at the bookstore between 3:45 and 4:15 after the normal school day. Some people have requested the PDF files so that they can print them out on their own. Some people use electronic versions and submit those to me that way, so they are here for the remaining part of the school year. Okay. If you would like the hard copies and you are having a difficult time getting to the school between 3:45 and 4:15, I do know that that is a very short window. Please let me know and I can make arrangements to get that book to you. Okay? Even though we're opening up the module today, our summative assessment will still be on Tuesday, so it will open up Tuesday morning at 7 a.m. It is due Tuesday at 6 p.m. It is an angle chase, and so you will work through finding 21 angles and or arcs, and then at the end of it there is a Google form, and you will click on that and just enter your answers in for those angle and arc measures that you have found. My hope for this week is that if you look at what we have to do, we have that summative assessment, and then I did not put any new material in this week. We have 2 formative assessments based off of material that we've been working on in previous weeks. So we have our section 10.4, which is in page 24 in our notebook, and then section 10.6, which is 26 through 27. Okay, 10.4 basically has to deal with our tangents and those special chords that we have on our foldable, and then section 10.6 basically deals with being able to find angles and arcs if the vertex is in the circle at the center, if it's in the circle but not the center, and if the vertex is outside of the circle. So if you're having a difficult time with that, you may need to go back and review those videos that we have done previously on those items. Okay. Zoom sessions are adjusted a little bit. So this week on Wednesday, which is the 31st, we'll have one at 12:30. Why 12:30? Because I get to have my second COVID shot at 3 o'clock. So I need time to get to that place to get my second shot. And then we'll have one on Thursday. I'm going to make that one at 12:32. And the reason why is because I've heard from several of you that we are leaving to go places and whatnot. So therefore, if you're leaving at 3 or whatever, that gives you an opportunity to jump on and ask some questions. And then when we come back from spring break, you could see that we have our normal one Monday at 2 o'clock. If you still have some work that you're working on. We have these two formative assessments, and although they're not due until after spring break, I'm hoping that you just get everything done and are able to have a little bit of time away from geometry and away from some of these school items over break. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to Canvas message me or request a Zoom session, and I'll get back in touch with you.